Greetings, everyone. This is Eric Hong, Executive Director of Momiji Healthcare Society, speaking to the tenants of Momiji Seniors Residence and their families about the COVID-19 pandemic on Tuesday, May 18, 2021. The provincial government announced just last week that the lockdown and stay-at-home order has been extended for 2 more weeks to June 2nd. Regrettably, until these directives are lifted, Momiji will not be able to offer group programs nor allow social gatherings on its premises. We do appreciate how difficult it is for our seniors residence tenants to have to continue to be isolated. But our priority is to protect everyone from the very infectious COVID virus that is in circulation in the community. You might ask, what was the point of getting vaccinated if not to allow an early return to normalcy? Isn't vaccination supposed to protect you? Well, vaccination does protect us from getting COVID, but not absolutely. Receiving 2 doses is required for protection to be optimized. Even then, there is still a slim chance for infection. In the unlikely event of that happening, vaccination will protect you from the more serious effects of the virus. Moreover, even vaccinated, you can potentially still be a carrier of the virus without experiencing any symptom yourself and so spread the infection to others. Although most tenants and staff at Momiji have had their first shot of the vaccine, not everybody has done so for a variety of legitimate reasons. That means there are still some among us who are vulnerable to infection. For our tenants who have received the first vaccine shot at Momiji back in March, you are scheduled to receive a second shot in July. We will remind you and help arrange for you to receive your shot then. For now, our Seniors Active Living Center staff are doing what they can to visit individual tenants regularly and facilitate one-on-one activities. However, staff number is low, and there are only so many individual visits that can be made with staff hours available. We are planning for when restrictions will be lifted so that we can restart some organized programs as soon as possible. When spring weather is finally beginning to take hold, outside temperature is rising and will be in the 20-degree range for the coming week. There are now more sunlight hours each day. I would encourage tenants to take advantage of the brighter and warmer days to go outdoors, exercise, and take in more sunshine and fresh air. When your designated family member visits, going outside for a stroll together might be an alternative to just sitting inside the apartment. This coming Monday, May 24th, is Victoria Day, a public holiday. Many families will be thinking about visiting over the long weekend. We appreciate why you would want to do so. However, we must reiterate that the provincial stay-at-home order is still in force. That means each one-person household should only socialize with one member of another household. Many of you will seek exemption from the rule for a variety of reasons. Nevertheless, we still ask that you abide by the one-visitor policy. Please consider that not everyone has been vaccinated yet. Please consider the risk of infection spread involved when too many visitors come to Momiji, where a lot of vulnerable people live and work. It is through us cooperating with and caring about each other that we have come through the last 14 months of this pandemic with a minimum of exposure to the COVID virus. Let us stay the course and hang in a little longer to keep each other safe and well. I hope you have found this information useful. If you have any question, please ask it of any Momiji staff. Thank you.